Got issues working near the crankcase? The AIM Tools steel car ramps can help. This two-pack can support up to 5 tons, so even heavy vehicles like a Hummer H1 are safe on them. The ramps have a gentle incline, making them easy for sedans and hatchbacks to climb without scraping their bumpers. Each ramp includes a hand-operated hydraulic crank to lift the car smoothly. With fewer moving parts, the system is more reliable and easier to maintain. Each ramp weighs about 36 kilograms and the set costs around $222. It's a solid choice if you want safe, stable access to the underside of your car for repairs or maintenance. The Car Bench UL300 is a compact and practical hydraulic car lift, ideal for small workshops or home garages. It's perfect if you don't have room for a permanent lift. When folded, it's just 10 centimeters high, but it can raise a car to full standing height. The lift offers over 10 height settings and works with any standard passenger vehicle. The adjustable restraining bar ensures a secure fit for different car widths. It's operated using a remote control, and specific positions can be fine-tuned by tightening bolts. The UL300 is designed to be strong, stable, and reliable. However, it's not available for public sale, which makes it a rare find. Overall, it's a smart solution for lifting cars in tight spaces without needing a full-size lift. After a long 1,000-mile highway trip, rinsing your car's grill is a good start, but it's not enough. To truly clean your engine, you need to flush the entire cooling system from the inside. That's where the Laser Tools Coolant System Flusher comes in. This handy tool connects directly to your radiator and uses water to flush out dirt, rust, and buildup. Need more pressure? Just pull the trigger on the handle. The flusher includes a flexible rubber nozzle that fits 5 different hose sizes, making it perfect even for older or classic cars. Simple to use and highly effective, it helps keep your cooling system clean and your engine running smoothly, especially after long drives. An easy way to give your vehicle the deep clean it deserves. It might sound strange, but it's real. A US company has created a garage door that turns into a powerful light source when opened. The design includes a flexible panel that slides under the ceiling, and built-in lights at the base that brighten the entire garage. The system is wire-free, switch-free, and uses low-voltage lights, so it won't raise your electricity bill. The creators are proud of how simple and efficient it is. However, the lights only work when the door is open. Once it's closed, the garage goes dark. According to the official site, the door costs around $330. It's a clever solution for anyone needing bright, even lighting in their garage without extra fixtures or complicated setups. Tired of dragging your home vacuum to the garage? The InnerVac Garage Vac is a compact unit that mounts on the wall, so it stays out of the way. While the hose looks short at first, just 2.5 meters, it actually stretches out to 11 meters, giving you plenty of reach to clean your entire garage. The vacuum bag can hold up to 3 kilograms of dirt, and it comes with several attachments, including tools for indoor use and a brush designed for cleaning your car's interior. It's a great all-in-one solution for keeping your garage and vehicle tidy. The starting price is around $250. Some garages are a mess, tools in the corner, wires and gear stacked up. Others are neat and tidy, thanks to the Gladiator Gear Track system. It's a wall-mounted panel with strong adjustable hooks that let you hang just about anything. Whether it's wrenches, hammers, wires, or even a guitar amp, you can get it off the floor and onto the wall. The system comes in standard or extra-large sizes, and the hooks range from simple J-hooks to heavy-duty options. You can even hang a dumbbell if it's properly mounted with the included self-tapping screws. DIY Hydraulic Trolley Jack. This homemade trolley jack was built from scratch in a garage. It's made using two metal beams connected by a bolt and uses a hydraulic piston to lift cars up to 60 centimeters. Small wheels make it easy to roll and position under a vehicle. According to the creator's blog, he tested it with a Toyota Hilux and a Land Cruiser 200, both weighing close to 3 tons. To be safe, he didn't extend the piston all the way. Even so, lifting a Land Cruiser is no small task, especially for something handmade. The jack may be a one-off project, but it shows what's possible with the right tools, materials, and know-how. The Ken Tool Stow & Go is a clever folding lug wrench made in the USA. While similar tools have been around for years, this one stands out. Unlike others that come apart, it folds like a tripod and easily transforms from a cross shape into a T shape. Its sliding arms make it simple to use, and the sockets fit lug nuts between 17 and 21 millimeters. When you're done, it folds neatly into a slim pouch that's easy to store in your car. It's practical, compact, and handy for emergencies, or maybe even your big break as a Formula One mechanic. Tool Pro Magnetic Pickup Tool. Dropped a bolt in your engine bay? Don't let gravity win. The Tool Pro Magnetic Pickup Tool makes recovery easy. Its flexible wire shaft slips into tight spots between the engine and other components, while the strong magnet at the end grabs lost metal parts with ease. The comfortable plastic handle gives you a solid grip while you fish out stray bolts, nuts, or washers. It's a simple but smart way to keep your engine bay clear of loose parts and avoid bigger problems later. Just be careful not to lose the tool itself. At $23, it's a lot pricier than the parts you're trying to save.